Hello everyone, I am Ranjan Kumar Jha. Today I will talk with you about the ultrasonic testing. Ultrasonic testing is the method uh, to detect the internal flow, material thickness and material property using the high frequency of the sound wave. It generally works on the three principles. First one is the vibration, second one is the quadratic impedance and mismatch, and third one is the piezoelectric effect. Piezoelectric effect converts electrical energy into mechanical vibration and mechanical vibration into electrical energy. The most common material used in piezoelectric effect is the crystal and quartz. There is some frequency ranges for the ultrasound. If for ultrasound each greater than 20,000 hertz wavelength. Now we talk about the wavelength. We know wavelength is equal to velocity by frequency. If velocity is increasing, wavelength is also increasing. But in the case of frequency, if we increase the frequency, wavelength is decreasing. Sensitivity, we know that sensitivity is the half of the lambda. So if higher is the frequency, then higher is the sensitivity. So we talk about the two types of wave. First one is the refracted longitudinal wave, and second one is the reflected shear wave. If when the refracted longitudinal wave is 90 degree, then it is said to be the first critical angle, and when the refracted shear wave is 90 degree, it is said to be the second critical angle. There is a one term called attenuation, or also called the surface tension. In that, there is a loss of sound wave due to the scattering and absorption, as if we with the material having thicker diameter. Of course, there is the loss of sound due to the absorption or scattering. Now, types of probes. There is three types of probes. First one is the normal probes. It is in circular shape. Second one is the angle shape. Third one is the TR probe. There is the two hole. We have to connect two different cable, one for transmitter and one for receiver in the two different holes, and the thickness of this probe is less than 20 mm.